In front of me is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Notification Center. Then scroll down and click on blue switcher next to any app from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switchers. If you want to, you can also tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!